In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or retract your bid on eBay. Whether you've made an accidental bid or simply changed your mind, knowing how to effectively retract your offer will save you from unwanted purchases. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to ebay.com. Once the homepage loads, make sure to log into your account. You'll find the login button typically at the top right corner of the page. After you enter your credentials, you'll be redirected to your personalized homepage. Having a secure, easily memorable password is always recommended for your safety and convenience. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar, where you'll see the Bids Offers section. Click on it, and this will bring up a list of all your active bids and offers, giving you a comprehensive view of your current engagements on eBay. This is a convenient spot to manage your buying activity. From this list, locate the specific item for which you want to cancel the bid. Click on View Offer Details next to the appropriate listing. This step provides you deeper insights into your offer. You'll see the item details, your bid history, and more. It's essential to ensure that you're selecting the correct bid to retract to avoid mistakes. Next, and on the detailed offer page, locate the link that says Review Offer. Give that a click. This option allows you to review all specifics regarding your bid. Having this clear overview is especially helpful to ensure nothing has changed in the conditions or details before making any cancellation. Once you have confirmed that you wish to retract, search for the Retract Your Offer option on the page. Click on it, and you will be guided to another page. Here is where eBay asks you to provide a reason for your bid retraction. Doing so provides feedback for eBay and helps the platform monitor the reasons behind bid retractions for improvement purposes. In the provided options under Reason for Retraction, select the option that applies to your situation. If none of the predefined options fit, you can click Other to provide a more suitable context that explains your decision. This step not only helps in personalizing the experience, but also details your transaction record accurately. Finally, with all the necessary information filled out, look for and click the Retract Offer button to complete the process. Once done, you should receive a confirmation noting that your bid has been successfully retracted. Remember, eBay does have policies on bid retractions, so use this feature responsibly to maintain a good standing as a buyer on the platform. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your bids and offers on eBay effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful, and please feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Happy bidding, and may you have successful purchases on eBay.